Monopoly Go tips and tricks. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's explore some tips and tricks to rock in this particular game. So for this, just simply download it from Play Store, and after that, when you are rolling the dice, make sure that you just keep rolling it instead of just going onto the build section and upgrading to the monuments, because this might cost you a little extra money. Because when you try to upgrade the monument after collecting just a small amount of money, then people will be attacking you and you would have to repair your monuments. So this will just cost you time and effort. So instead of upgrading these monuments after just collecting little money, instead of that, just simply keep rolling your dice and collect almost all the amount of money that is required in order to upgrade all the monuments. This way you would be able to not just save money but also your time and efforts. And also, whenever you have more than one sticker on Monopoly Go, you can trade it with your friends. This will help both of you guys. And in case if you have friends who are attacking you on regular basis, like there are some people who just attacks you and don't leave you alone. In that case, just simply go to your friends section and unfriend that particular person. And this way you would be able to get rid of that particular person and that person won't be bothering you anymore. Because whenever you have friends on Monopoly Go, they will tend to attack you and they will get you as an option when they are on this particular short line or railroads. This way they will loot you and you won't be left with much money. So it's better to unfriend these guys who are attacking you constantly. And also, instead of rolling the dice again and again and just keep waiting for the timer to get up and give you some more rolls, just don't roll at all and let the dice collect. And when you have plenty of dice to roll, only then just roll all of them in one go. After a point in this particular game, you would be able to see different multipliers which will help you get on better positions. So this way you would be able to earn more money. So just use your rolls quite wisely, because it is quite important to save time and money. So this way you would be able to get ahead in leadership boards. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.